Is that right? Could this be true? Guys, it's fall. We gotta get ready. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, so today guys, we're making stuff with pumpkin spice. We're making some pumpkin spice coffee. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so to make this fall inspired pumpkin spice drink, what we're going to do is we're going to take a pan and we're going to start warming that up. To that we're going to add 1 cup of sugar and we're going to take about 1 cup of water. What we're going to do is we're actually going to make a syrup for this. So you can save it in your fridge and use it for later. You don't have to use it right then and there. So this is really nice. So our base, we're going to do a simple syrup mixture essentially. That's what's going to give us that syrupy consistency. To that we're going to add our pumpkin spice mixture, and in that spice mixture I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of nutmeg, half a tablespoon of ground ginger, and half a tablespoon of allspice. I like the allspice versus like clove, and I like bringing these spices together because it gives this like kind of spicy warm feel. And come on guys, it's fall. We all want to feel warm on the inside. We all want to feel that happy glow. So this mixture is really great. I love it, and it gives you a little bit extra, so you're not just making 1 cup. Oh, hey, wife. No, it's not done. I just started making it. I promise. I will get you some. Don't worry. We're going to have plenty to share. Okay, so once we have all our spices there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix those up until they come to a nice consistency. And once that's done, we're going to do 100% pure pumpkin. Now, make sure it's 100% pure pumpkin, guys. You don't want any of the extra preservative stuff. I like the all-natural stuff. And go ahead and give it 2 heaping spoonfuls. If you want it to taste more pumpkin-y, do more pumpkin. Cover that with a lid and let it simmer until it becomes a nice thick consistency that covers the back of a spoon. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna use a strainer. It's not a step you have to do. I like doing it. I feel it makes the consistency a little bit smoother, a little bit nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna sift this through a fine mesh, like sieve. And then while we're sifting that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some coffee. And go ahead and hit that power button. Boop. All right, so now that all of that stuff is done, it is time to assemble. We're gonna take a nice glass, and to that we're gonna take our pumpkin spice syrup, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try doing a drizzle on the side. And all right, you know, you get it on the outside. Didn't really make a nice drizzle like I wanted, but at the same time, what you want is the flavor. And go ahead and make your coffee however you would like. I do a little bit of milk in mine, and then I go ahead and pour my fresh brewed coffee. Now you can use this spice mixture in any sort of lattes or any sort of cappuccinos or espressos that you want to make. So I'm just making a coffee here, but you guys can make it however you want. Just go ahead and take that same syrup and add it to your finished latte. Make sure you give it a good swirl and you're good to go. And if you want it to be more spicy, more pumpkin-y, you can just go ahead and add more of that mixture. Otherwise, this is good to go from there. So let's go ahead and give that a nice little taste. Oh yeah, guys, that is so tasty. It reminds me of fall so much. That's what I like about this drink. It's got that nice warm. I feel like I'm sitting by a nice cozy fire, just watching the leaves fall, just enjoying the cool weather. And let's go ahead and do a little happy dance. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead, hit that like button down below, leave a comment, make sure you hit that bell so you know what's coming up next, and share this video with a friend. Share it with another pumpkin spice loving friend of yours, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye guys.